Unlock the power of self-belief, 5-step you can't afford to miss. Video description. Welcome to our inspirational video on unlocking the power of self-belief. In this video, we will explore the importance of self-belief and share 5 impactful quotes that will inspire and empower you. Whether you are looking to boost your confidence, overcome challenges, or achieve your goals, these quotes are ones you can't afford to miss. Prepare to be motivated and ready to take on the world with renewed self-belief. Keywords: self-belief, inspiration, confidence, empowerment, motivation, introduction. Vibrant background music playing. Welcome to Unlock the Power of Self-Belief, 5 quotes you can't afford to miss. In this video, we will delve into the transformative world of self-belief and guide you through 5 quotes that will leave you feeling motivated and ready to conquer any challenges that come your way. So, let's dive right in. Animated visual transitions showcasing various powerful quotes. Step 1. Believe you can and you're halfway there. Theodore Roosevelt. Our first quote comes from Theodore Roosevelt, the 26th President of the United States. He emphasizes the critical role belief plays in achieving success. By simply believing in yourself, you have already conquered half the battle. This quote reminds us that self-belief is the foundation for achieving greatness. Beautiful animation visualizing the quote and showcasing related visuals. Step 2. Don't watch the clock. Do what it does. Keep going. Sam Levinson. Our second quote is from Sam Levinson, an American humorist. This quote encourages us to keep pushing forward, regardless of the challenges or obstacles we may face. It highlights the importance of perseverance and staying committed to our goals. Like the clock that keeps ticking, we must keep going, no matter what. Engaging animation showcasing the quote and motivating visuals. Step 3. Believe in yourself, take on your challenges, dig deep within yourself to conquer fears. Never let anyone bring you down. You got this. Chantal Sutherland. Chantal Sutherland, a successful jockey, inspires us with our third quote. Her words remind us to believe in ourselves even when faced with challenges. She encourages us to dig deep within ourselves, conquer our fears, and never allow others to bring us down. This quote reinforces the idea that we possess the strength to overcome any adversity. Motivating animation illustrating the quote and displaying related imagery. Step 4. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Franklin D. Roosevelt. Our fourth quote comes from Franklin D. Roosevelt, the 32nd President of the United States. He reminds us that our doubts in the present can limit our future achievements. By letting go of doubt and nurturing our self-belief, we open the doors to boundless opportunities and accomplishments. Dynamic animation showcasing the quote and paired with impactful visuals. Step 5. Believing in yourself is the first secret to success. Unknown. Our final quote, although its author is unknown, shares a powerful message. Self-belief is the first secret to success. This quote serves as a reminder that in order to achieve our goals, we must first believe in ourselves. When we have faith in our abilities, our potential becomes limitless. Inspiring animation illustrating the quote and presenting empowering visuals. Conclusion and outro. And there you have it, 5 quotes that unlock the power of self-belief. Each quote reminds us of the importance of self-belief, perseverance, and conquering our fears. By adopting these quotes as mantras in our lives, we can rise above challenges and unlock our true potential. Remember, self-belief is a powerful force that can transform your life. We hope this video has inspired you, and we encourage you to share it with others who may benefit from this empowering message. Stay motivated, believe in yourself, and go confidently in the direction of your dreams.